guys, and welcome back. What we have here is my Yamaha R15-M MotoGP Monster Edition. It has run approximately 4,700 kilometers and it is due for an oil change. Let's get started.
Inside of me, you better watch out. If you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop.
What we will be using is the Castrol POWER1 Ultimate 10W40. It is a fully synthetic engine oil with JASO MA2 compliant standards. It comes for around 600 bucks. So what we need to do before changing the engine oil is we need the oil filter. I have the Yamaha original oil filter costing rupees 247 along with the engine oil. So the oil filter goes right here, and since I have installed the Yamaha original bash plate, so it obstructs my access to the drain bolt, which is right there. We need to first open the bash plate with the screw over here, and that nut needs to be opened along with the screw. I'll meet you on a time lapse.
Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind.
I have the drain removed. It's a size 9 drain plug, a very lightweight aluminum plug with an o-ring inside it, and just inside of it is this magnetic filter with a spring which goes in this way. We have opened the drain plug from the bottom and the filler cap. Let's open the oil filter and drain that oil also.
Your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened, and if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no legs.
This is the old one, pretty dirty, and we will be fixing the new one with the Castrol POWER1 Ultimate. So we have drained all the engine oil, some remaining drops. The drain nut has been fitted back. Do not over tighten the nut as it is made of aluminium and you can strip it very easily. So now we need to put the oil filter. This is the brand new oil filter. It will have two sides, one with a hole and one sealed. So the sealed side will go in. So I am going to insert it directly. It's in place, and make sure your oil filter cover has a proper o-ring. It should not be broken. You can see this extended pin. This goes into that hole. You just need to match it up and screw it in place. We have fitted the oil filter and its cover back in position with the 3 screws. These 2 screws are smaller size screws and this one is a longer screw. So when you open them, just fit it in the same order. Now all that is left to do is pour the engine oil and we are done. 850 ml is specified if you just drain and refill. If you do a complete engine flush, you will require 1 liter of engine oil. Now that the engine oil has been poured in properly, now we just need to close the cap and we are done. I have already fixed the bash plate back. It's just the nut here, size 12, and this aluminium lock here with the screwdriver, and we are done with the whole work. We can now start the bike. As you can see, just 4,750 kilometers, and let's start it. Engine sounds smooth, no issues whatsoever.
Inside of me, you better watch out. If you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen.